In today's tutorial, how to sync audio in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free.
If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial.
Step 1 is to drag both the video clip and the audio clip that you would like to sync together in Adobe Premiere Pro. The next step is to drag them onto the timeline. And then again, it's to make sure that you have the audio and the video layers selected. In this case, this is what we have. And as you can see and notice, the audio piece is further behind the video clip. So we want to get our razor tool and cut and delete, so they're both more aligned. And as you notice, the sound is still off. So we want to make the audio piece a little bit louder. And as you can see, it is still off. So the next step is to highlight both the video and the audio clip. And this is where the cool part comes. Right click and then find where it says synchronize, which is above merge clips. And in this case, you can synchronize the start, the end of the clip, or you can even click the audio and then click OK. If you get this error message, then you have to resynchronize. And then click on one of the audio tracks, and there you have it. You have successfully synced both the video and the audio tracks. If you are getting this error message, then unfortunately you're going to have to manually go in to the video and the audio piece and synchronize it. So go over to here and drag this down, and then move this until it syncs perfectly with the wavelengths. You may or may not have to zoom in on your keyboard on the timeline with the plus and the arrow key, and then move it so that they are resynchronized.
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.